Hello, I am Jody Wolf, and you're watching Expose on November 24, 2012 at 2:20 a.m. Part 2 of Prophecy Updates from November 14 to November 23. Hamas in Gaza take drain pipes and try to use as weapons. And on the prophecy update, it explains a little bit on how they try to make missiles out of them. I would say they're very desperate idiots. Just leave Israel alone and they can keep their pipes. Okay, Dengue, I don't know this name, but Dengue, malaria, and deadly disease outbreaks worldwide. This is happening now. New Zealand, a volcano erupted. I think that's going on right now. Mayan apocalypse countdown to December 21, 2012. They still believe horrible things are going to happen on that day. World powers want nuclear talks with Iran ASAP because the window of opportunity is closing between Israel and Iran. Now get this. It also appears that the battle between Gaza and Israel was started by Iran so they could see how Israel fought. With eye on Iran, Gaza conflicts reassures Netanyahu that IDF chief said when the dust settles, Hamas will realize the high price they paid. Russian warships in position opposite Israel. Russia still wants Israeli oil and gas. In truth, this will trigger Ezekiel 38. Hamas leader, Marshall, we accepted Palestinian state on 1967 borders with a right that we could return when we got ready. That guy's full of BS because that was never, he just came out of the sky with that one. Anyway, Israel and God says no. So, let's get on down here a little bit. Now that statement just a moment ago about Israel and Iran really ticks me off because look how the world jabs at Israel, okay, about Iran. It is the hope of the world for Israel to stop Iran. But yet, it is the world that pokes at Israel for attacking Iran and wanting to stop the nuclear program. So I say, make up your mind, you bunch of idiots. North Korea preparing for long-range missile tests. They've been watching them on a satellite. China conducts military drills amid heightened tensions. Greece, suicide on the rise. Country is falling apart. Qatar in Saudi Arabia, SARS-like virus found. Fingerprint scans for poor parents. The poor is increasing at an alarming rate. Thanks, Obama. Egypt Brotherhood does not want Israeli peace. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu, if truce fails, get this, we will finish the job. Yes, this will, as an Israeli analyst put it, peace fire will not last. The one they're in right now. But when Israel goes back to finish it, they will finish it all the way. Iran will simply supply all the ammo needed for a fight with Israel. Here's something here. A 4D scan shows fetus yawning inside the mother's womb. And then they kill them. Prophecy update titles on the ones I gave you for those days. False ideas about salvation. In spite of it all, Our God reigns, the fallen away, the God the God without a thanksgiving, the untied, I'm sorry, not the United States of America, but the untied states of America. Are there two sudden destructions? Ministry support needs 40 people. Shame on me. Update ministry support wanted for prophecy update newsletters to keep everyone ready and knowing what's going on. Okay, here's something I just threw down here. Number one, at the moment, the Middle East unrest is here to stay. It's not going away, and will only end when the Battle of Armageddon is about to kill the last humans on earth. Then God will stop it in fear. I mean, he knows that if he didn't cut it short, all life would die. The things you do know, America will most likely be in total chaos with internal rest. There will be disasters. Not only the things that are happening right now, but also the trumpets, vials, seals, and then there are the thunder judgments, or thunder that he said, hide these. I don't want people to know what they are, and we don't know what they are. The world will hurt in horrible ways as these things occur. Most likely 1 or 2 years into the tribulation, Satan's evil fallen angels and all the horrors they have been creating for these thousands of years inside the earth will be unleashed on earth and will bring great horrors to all the people who are still left here. Number 4, by sheer fear, most people left on earth will think that by taking the mark of the beast, the number 666, they will actually be protected because things are so horrible. And this is very wrong. Remember, even the elect would be deceived if possible, but God will stop that. But this, again, is very wrong. The instant you take the mark, you will have fear so horrible because at the next instant, all hope is now gone. And you will know God no longer will hear your voice. Never, and hell will never end. Never. And the fact that you will also know you are now separated from God will be way more horrible than hell itself. Just imagine that. If there is no God that will ever hear your voice again, today, every time somebody mentions the name Jesus, half the angels in heaven turns and look to see who called Jesus. And they're doing it today. The door's still open, y'all. It is still open. He's still listening. And when you call the name, before you finish saying Jesus, he is standing before you. You have to open your door and let him in. He's not going to push it in. But when you do that, then not even you can change it. We're going to sin, and we're not going to stop sinning. We can do our best, but we're going to sin. But will God see your sin once you accept Christ? No. When you accept Christ, he washed your sins away and they're gone. And they won't return. You may sin. You're still covered by the blood. And you're still whiter than snow in God's eyes. So read, please, John 3:16, because time is so short. Jody Wolf, exposed.